Before we get into this video, there's a couple of things I like to look for when I'm doing reviews on earbuds, and that is how much do they actually cost, how comfortable they actually feel on your ears, and these are sports ones, so they actually go round your ears, not just in your ears, so these fit round now, if that makes sense. You know, how comfortable they are, how good a quality the audio is, and how easy they are to set up, you know, connect it to your phone, things like that. And how long does it actually last, you know. These claim to last up to 35 hours, and hopefully they will. I can't imagine anyone wearing them for 35 hours, to be quite honest, but you never know. There might be someone out there who wants to wear them for that long. So with that, let's get them open and see exactly what you get for your money and how easy or hard it is to set them all up. Yeah? Give me a second while I cut her open. At the time of making this video, they cost around about £30, and as always I will stick a link in the video description below in case you want to go and check it out. But I'll cut the shrink wrap off, it don't want to come out. Come on, I'm putting up a bit of a fight. That is tight. Oh, there you go. Oh, gotcha. So you get instructions, you get a USB, a small one, it's probably about 500ml. I will have a measure up in a bit. You get some pads, hopefully they're just different sizes. We will have a look at them in a minute, because I'm sure someone's going to say, well, how many different size pads do you get, or do you get any pads or anything like that? I'm really struggling to get this out. Yeah, hang on, gotcha. Let's get that out of the way. I'm going to try it and set them up without reading the instructions as well. So, first things first, the actual case or the charger. So this is the actual charger. Quite like the pattern on there. Looks quite nice actually. Different, isn't it? Let's get that box out of the way. Yeah. So we have a USB Type-C connection on there. So USB, USB Type-C. Bit of pad in there to give it a bit of a grip so it doesn't, you know, slide about too much, which I thought was nice. And voila! Actually, they look quite nice. Yeah. Well, they're not charging up at the moment because they've got little bits of plastic on them. So I'm going to have a quick look around. Yep, yeah, they do look nice. Quite small, aren't they? See how comfortable they are on my ears. Oh, they do fit nice actually. And they go in quite far. Oh, it's a very good fit. Right, let's have a look. So you get a set of pads already on there, which, you know, you do most of the time anyway. And we have, looking at this, how many do I have? 1, 2 sets? There's 2 there. Yes, probably 2 sets. So the other 2 don't want to come out. They're a little bit shy. Come on, baby, come on. Don't be shy. There you go. So we have some big ones, some small ones, and the ones on here are medium ones, looking at that. Yes, medium. So you have 3 sets in total. Okay, so now you know. Right, first things first, you're supposed to charge them up, but they should already have some sort of charger on them, you know, a little bit of power. So what I'm going to do is get my phone. Yeah. Going to unlock it and get my Bluetooth up. See how easy it is to connect. Bluetooth, where are you, Bluetooth? It's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Bluetooth. Right, that's the devices we have at the moment. The other thing I did read, because I thought I'd have a little read on Amazon, it did say, someone asked a question, can you just wear one pair, you know, one headphone? And you can. Just leave the other one in the actual charger and it won't connect. Don't know why you just want to wear one anyway, but someone did ask. So That's ready to go. And get this one out. I do feel quite nice actually. I like the feel of the rubber. Different. Can't get the thing off. There you go. Get off. I'm being attacked. Right, done. Job done. Right, so we need to start them up. And the best way to do it is just to plug them back in. Yeah, back into the charger. Or the easiest way to do it. Magnetic, so they're powering up now. So they're getting power. Take them out again. Lay them down. And they're flashing. Should come up, pair new device. Hello, TV, Bluetooth, I don't know what it's called. And BE 1037, there she goes, come up twice actually. Allow access, power and active, 80% on the battery. So it should be good for a little while. And that should be it. So we need a bit of music. Where's my music gone? Lost it. Files, audio, scroll down, and that one. Let's have a listen. And it's working. Straight away. That was easy, wasn't it? Right, comfort-wise. Oh, they're not going to come out easy. Right, can we do play, pause, things like that? Yeah, paused, play, double tap, next track. Back again. Oh, hang on. Ah, interesting. It's only playing on one ear. It did come up, let's just stop that for a second. It did come up and show two headphones, so they're not linked together. That's interesting. So this one's still trying to link. So let's go back to Bluetooth and pair new device. Wait for it. There it is. That one now. It's pairing. Allow, pair, done. Right. Now then, where's my bit of music? Go, let's play that, see if that works. Oh, that's better. Oh, they're not working together. Oh, that's interesting. Or not. I'm not sure about that. Well, I'm going to put them back in. I might have to read the instructions on this to find out why they're not working together. So they're in now. So I'm going to take them out again. And hopefully they should just work. In. Right, I heard it through both turn around and say connected. Right, I need to find out how to make them work together because they're working independently, which is not what I want, or not what you want as well. So I am going to have to read the instructions. Right, I've sussed it. So all you have to do is put them back like this. There's a couple of options actually. You can press the buttons 5 times, but I find it a lot easier if you just put them back in the charger, and that will shut them down basically. Then go into your Bluetooth and click on the cog that's showing the headphones and say forget. Yeah, it's that easy. Just tell it forget, and then get them out again at the same time, and then pair a new device, and they should sync up together. So take them both out at the same time, give it a couple of seconds, hopefully it'll work, and there you go. So it's only coming up once now, but if you only want to use one earpiece, then you leave the other one in the case until you've paired up the one that you're going to be using. So click on that, it says pairing, and allow, because it's not going to work if you don't allow, and active, 90% now. I was only messing about for a few seconds, it's already gone up to 90%. Cool. Let's go back to the music again. So this time, oops, that one popped out. They're in. Right. Yeah, playing. Oops. Yep. Perfect. Right. First things first, comfort. Yeah. Feel really comfortable inside my ear actually. Alright, I'm going to turn the volume up. Oh, F1 for up. Oh, I love the bass. Bass is really good. Next song. Next song. Oh, sorry. Pause. Oh. No, not going to fall out. There's no way they're going to fall out. Right, comfort wise, they do feel extremely comfortable, and I do like the way that they made them. That is quite small compared to some of the ones that go around your ears, isn't it? Yeah, it's very small, but they do feel extremely comfortable, and they do seem to fit my ears, or the inside of my ears, perfectly. Very pleased with that. Right, setting up, very easy, although we did have the issue that they was connecting independently, but like I said, just put them back in, start again, get them out at the same time, and they should be fine. But if you have that issue, now you know how to do it. So what I'm going to do now is I need to give them a thorough test, a few days at least, make sure that I'm happy with them, because I don't want to tell you now that I think they're brilliant, because they might not be. I might find a fault with them. So like I said, I'm going to give them a few days, try them out, see how I get on with them. Actually, I'm going to try them out tomorrow. It's getting dark now. Well, it is dark actually. I'm going to try them out tomorrow. I'm going to go out tomorrow, and I'm going to wear them and see how I get on with them. And then I'll get back to you. But I really do like the bass on these. The bass sounds really good, in my opinion, that is. So at the moment, for them, what they cost, oh, that's nice, magnetic. See that? Yeah, little green light on there. There was as well. See that? Green light. So I'm going to give them a test, like I said, give it a few days and get back to you. But that's probably about 500. So it's only going to be a little one. But I will have a measure up, because I know that someone can say, well, Yorkie, how long is it? It's that long. No, I'll have a measure up, all right? And I'll stick it up there, okay? So give it a couple of days, see how I get on with them, and I'll let you know. Right, so I've been trying them out for a few days, and yeah, they've been very comfortable. No issues with them whatsoever. They're easy to use, just like any other earbuds. But what I do like about it is the unusual design. You know, the way they've done that. It's a little bit different from some of the other ones I've done, even with over ears. I thought, yeah, they're a little bit different, but they are extremely comfortable. I was quite impressed how comfortable they are. Bass and treble. Very good, providing you push them in your ears properly. Yeah, really good, nice and clear, good audio, and even when the wife's been calling me up and I've had them on, just to try them out, nice clear audio, very impressed, and I do like the case as well. Yeah, I really do. It's an unusual case, but, you know, the little pattern and that on there, but it's nice. Can't tell you how long the batteries last. I know it says, I think, what was it, 35 hours. I know it says, you know, up to 35 hours, but there's no way I'm going to be testing for 35 hours, is there? Unless I just leave them out of the case, and that's pointless, because, you know, I can't imagine anyone trying them out for that long. So with that, I definitely get my thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you're thinking about buying a pair or you're going to be buying a pair of these. I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check them out on the Amazon website. So with that, I definitely get my thumbs up. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, baby.